Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2016 Mazda CX-3 2-litre Sport Nav. This is a 120 brake horsepower model. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, shark fin roof aerial, (18-inch) diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side, inside the car you've got the cream leather upholstery with Alcantara centre panels. You've got red piping and red stitching. The rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Onto the rear of the car you've got rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. Into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. You've got a removable shelf so as you can increase the boot capacity, and you've also got the Bose subwoofer in the boot as well for the sound system. Moving around to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got electric folding mirrors. So on the dashboard you've got the control for the lane departure, tyre pressure monitor reset, stop start deactivation switch, you've got the traction control on off switch. So this car has covered 34,691 miles. Heads up display unit for safety. You've got the media system control unit there, volume control. The big dial is for selecting which function you're wanting to use. Then you've got the buttons for the home page, the navigation and the audio. 6-speed gearbox. So you've got the place for the SD card there for the maps, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plugins for accessories. You've got the climate control, and this car's also fitted with electric heated front seats. Into the media system, so into the home page just by selecting with the dial whichever function you're wanting to use. On the audio side you've got FM, AM and DAB radios, you've got Bluetooth connectivity, you've got the USB plugins, CD player, auxiliary port. Back to the home page, navigation. Once the SD card's installed you've got full screen navigation. View from the rear camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. You got automatic headlamps, rain sensitive wipers. On the steering wheel you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. On the side of the steering wheel you've got the cruise control and speed limiter. Moving back outside the car again. Identification plate that tells it's the Mazda CX-3 2 litre 120 PS. It's a two-wheel drive version and this is a Sport NAV model. Keyless entry. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.